Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Bromley Council Tax account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Bromley Council Tax Login. It will take you to this interface where you can see many websites. Click on the second one, My Bromley Account. It will take you to this official website of Bromley. As you guys already have a Bromley account, click on this sign in button to sign in. It will take you to this sign in portal and over here it asks for your username. Enter the username within the username section like this, and in the password section enter your password. In case if you guys forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking here forgot password. Once you do that, click on sign in button. You will be signed in into your Bromley account. If you don't have an account and you want to create an account on Bromley Council Tax, click on here register. So that's all for this video. This is how you can log in into your Bromley Council Tax account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.